Welcome to the Palace of Versailles, the stunning venue for the equestrian events and modern pentathlon at the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. Let's explore the breathtaking views and luxurious amenities that make this historic palace a must-visit destination. Welcome to Hidden Horizon. Join us as we reveal hidden corners of the world, unravel cultural mysteries, and explore destinations shrouded in wonder. Welcome to Palace of Versailles, Olympic grandeur and historic elegance. First up is the iconic Hall of Mirrors. This grand hall features 357 mirrors reflecting light from the massive windows overlooking the gardens. It's where the opulence of the French monarchy truly comes to life. The Gardens of Versailles are a masterpiece designed by André Lenotre. Spanning over 800 hectares, these gardens boast meticulously manicured lawns, grand fountains, and serene water features. The Grand Canal, stretching over 1,670 meters, offers stunning reflections of the palace. Just a short walk from the main palace is the Grand Trianon, a beautiful retreat built for King Louis XIV. With its pink marble columns and elegant design, it provides a more intimate glimpse into the luxurious life of French royalty. The Queen's Hamlet, commissioned by Marie Antoinette, is a charming, rustic retreat within the grounds. This picturesque village with its thatched roof cottages offers a delightful contrast to the grandeur of the main palace. Versailles isn't just about views. Indulge in gourmet dining at Or Restaurant by Alain Ducasse, where the menu is inspired by French history. Whether you're here for fine dining or a casual meal, the culinary experience is top-notch. Enhance your visit with a guided tour. Expert guides share fascinating insights into the palace's history and architecture, making your exploration even more enriching. Don't forget to stop by the boutique shops. From books and prints to jewelry and home decor, these shops offer unique souvenirs inspired by the art and history of Versailles. Take a leisurely walk or enjoy a picnic on the vast grounds of Versailles. Whether you're strolling through the gardens or relaxing by the Grand Canal, the serene environment is perfect for unwinding. The Palace of Versailles is more than just a venue for the Paris 2024 Olympic Games. It's a destination where history, culture, and natural beauty converge. Don't miss the chance to experience this iconic site during the Olympics. So there you have it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Palace of Versailles, where Olympic grandeur meets historic elegance. Stay tuned for more explorations of the world's most captivating wonders. These places might not have the same name recognition as some of the more famous spots, but they offer equally unforgettable experiences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Comment below and let us know which hidden gem you want to visit next. Until next time, keep exploring beyond the tourist trail.